It's the daily vlog. What time is it, Sadeem, bro?
I have no idea, bro.
Abib, tell him what time it is, bro.
It's 150, bro.
150.
We're about to order 30 cheeseburgers.
And on is about to go get some McDonald's.
I'm about to demolish these.
We are
Third
starving,
nigga, by the time we smoke, nigga.
bro. Brady, bro, you good, bro?
Brady, you straight, bro? I told you, I'm clocking out, bro. Let me sleep.
This man said he's clocking out.
Bro, I'm clocking out. Nigga. Let me go to sleep, nigga. You clocking out?
Nigga, I'm going out.
I am hungry.
You say you clocking out, Brady?
There's so much.
Oh! Nigga clenched his ass cheeks. You gay, Brady. Nigga, we want
You gotta give me another bite, bro.
What you mean, bro?
Give me another
You
bite.
finna have some McDonald's, bro. Don't
Give
worry.
me another bite, bro. You finna eat some too? What you talking about?
Not here, but we're gonna be ordering 30 cheeseburgers. Just know
Let
that.
me get a bite.
Here, bro.
No, bro, I want some cheese. I want some cheese on my bite.
Yo, B, can come help me, bro?
Yeah, we'll handle it.
Yeah, hold it, hold
No,
it.
go help him, bro. I'm leaving.
Hi, come on,
I'll
bro.
give you a bite if you help
We'll
me.
handle it for you.
All right. Where be that? I want my bite.
We'll go warm it up.
No, but it's straight. Straight, straight bird. Nigga, I told you I'm finna clock out. He is clocking out officially. I want my bite.
Well, you feel it?
I'm gonna pack on. Oh, no, it's not working.
I'm gonna pack an all
Pack on.
Bro, look at Birdie.
I swear nigga knocked out.
Come on.
Birdie, get up, bro.
It's 6 a.m., bro. All right, come on. You made it. I'm in that bed comfortable, bro. It's hard to get out of that. It's hard as fuck to get out of that bed. Can we put that shit here?
That ass, but can we put something to eat on?
What?
How,
The wrapper.
We're gonna come on the floor and
The wrapper? Fucking nigga, we doing it like this. We'll do a wrapper, bro.
Is that really 30 cheeseburgers?
30 cheeseburgers.
we gotta count these, bro. I don't believe me.
Really? That's insane.
Jared barbecue, bro.
Oh my God. It took like an hour.
There's no barbecue,
45
bro.
minutes.
Do like 30 minutes, bro.
Oh, these fried burgers.
They didn't give us any barbecue.
We're gonna eat. We're not gonna be able to eat 30. No way. Are they good?
They did.
Wait, what kind of sauce y'all got? You got ketchup, you got mayonnaise, you got mustard, I like that. Mayonnaise? Nah.
No, we're not gonna be able. What's up, y'all niggas?
Hey, when Elon comes in, we gotta roast his ass.
Nigga got 2 drinks, 2 waters.
Nigga, oil
Nah, bro, yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Jill, you got that water right there. That Coke.
You got me fucked up, you fucking
What you mean, bro?
lemur ass nigga.
Yeah, you gotta close the door, nigga.
You see that onion? Or is that a fry?
Yeah, but that's a
That's
That's onion, right?
some big ass onions.
Yeah, that's what I
like
said.
it looks such a long.
That's why I asked if
I was
you had
like-
onions. I was like, what the fuck is
I was
this?
like, bro, you
It's
know
weird.
These are actually some big ass onions, bro.
But it's not like the Dutch thing.
Yeah, it's not the diced ones.
I can't eat no more, bro.
You full already?
No, bro.
This is my third one. Yeah, I think I'm.
I'm already
On 2, bro.
How many did you get? 30?
30.
So that would be 1, 2, 3, 6 each, bro.
I'm already at 3. I got 3 more to go. I didn't even do mine.
Bro, I'm at 3.
I'm not
No,
gonna.
no, no,
I can't do 6, bro.
I'm at 2.
I could probably do like 4 max.
I'm not gonna do mine.
But I found that hair
That's
in
my
my
third one.
McDonald's, bro.
What?
I found that hair.
Where? Oh, that's disgusting.
Nigga.
Oh,
That's foul, bro.
nigga, throw that away.
Show that shit to camera, bro. Them dirty ass McDonald's.
What's wrong with these dirty ass niggas, bro?
Nasty ass hair, bro. Get that shit out of here, bro.
I don't even want to eat no more, bro.
I swear to God, bro. Yeah, bro, so swear.
What you gonna eat, bro?
Jill, bro, why you put it in the bag?
I threw it. What you mean? I ate the whole thing.
Bro, you should have thrown it in the trash. But
wasn't
there's
in
hair
the-
in the bag now. I don't even want to eat it, bro.
It's in the wrapper. Damn, I ain't kind of full though. I ain't gonna cap.
Full as fuck. My phone, we'll control that. I'm about to feel eat later. I want to eat. Fuck Vanguard, man. Fucking shit. So full, bro.
How much did we order? 30?
30.
How much have you at?
My fourth.
Bro, all we need
What?
is like.
You're a cat.
No way.
My fourth.
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
he's bro. Come on, go, bro.
I just finished my second.
This
Bro.
one's
I'm not eating no more, bro. I'll eat these fries, though.
Fries are good.
Nah, hell no. I want me a cheeseburger, bro.
That's my third one. I'm good after.
I only had 2.
Bro, I'm so fucking
We could have just ordered half of what we got and we would have been okay.
Hell yeah, nigga. Dead ass.
15.
They
but
call
it's
Still
them
like
wouldn't even
3
be able to
each,
finish
bro.
that. We still wouldn't be able to finish
Bro, they call me. I can eat 30 of these in 5
Who would
minutes.
us?
5 minutes, I'll eat
You can't
30.
eat 30 of these today.
There's no
bro.
way, bro.
I'll give you $100 if you eat 30 of these.
I can eat a lot, bro.
30 of these?
I promise you couldn't eat 30.
It's been 5 minutes.
Bro.
You ate like 4.
Slow and steady.
You just said 5 minutes.
Actually, no. If you're in a race, you gotta eat as much as you can.
Bro, these would get like nasty, bro.
Yeah.
They're already getting it. It's already like.
This is my third one. There's no way you would eat 30 in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
That's like a burger per like 10 seconds.
Can you drink 12 White Claws in 5 minutes?
Ref, put your glasses on.
Dude, bro, when you be running, bro.
told you that, bro?
No.
I heard someone told you that.
I was silent on that game, bro. I was hand shot, bro.
Wait, what
Try to lie right in front of me, bro. It's on camera.
You were doing the girls game, bro.
Wait, what happened? What happened?
Because I remember he told us it was when we were in Orlando.
Huh?
I don't know what was
Bro,
there.
I don't even know what was going on, bro. You like called it like hella early. But you should have been like out of control.
Oh, hell no.
And what did they say?
Ref, you gotta put on your glasses. Put your glasses on.
Damn. Did you have them on?
Nah, bro, I had a pair of fucking binoculars. What else would I have?
You've been yelled at by a coach before.
Oh, definitely.
Have you
Bro,
ever?
y'all ever talk with the
Not
parents?
by a coach.
Cool guys,
Don't
bro.
talk
What's the
about
bullshit?
No.
You never talk
Oh,
with
if you're a sideline ref? Yeah.
Dude,
yeah.
you've
talking
never
with
been yelled at
parents
by a
all the
coach.
No.
There's no chance,
Not by
bro.
a coach. Not yet.
I've been yelled at by everybody.
You can get them thrown out.
Yeah, but it's the whole stands was yelling at me. What am I supposed to do?
What was they saying?
You got the whole stance.
This is their team was getting dicked. They're losing. I mean,
They was like, come on, ref.
they were yelling like, I mean, I don't give a shit.
You know, I don't
I
know.
don't give a fuck, bro. I swear to God, bro. I mean, like, you've been so many, bro.
Oh, yeah.
You can yell, nigga. I don't give a shit. What is that gonna change? I mean, I'm not calling it bad on purpose. You call what you see.
Nigga, fuck
miss
those
some shit.
damn people, motherfuckers.
I was rapping with that nigga Dave Ritzler. You know that nigga, that nigga?
Yo, we should do a podcast.
Yeah.
We should, bro. That'll be clean.
Stop
Bro,
playing
bro,
again.
bro,
Stop
bro.
playing
Bro.
again. Stop playing again.
Play it.
Stop playing. I know, I'm about to
Look
start
at
my
Look at
bed.
this. Look at this, bro.
Huh?
Look at that.
Yo, get some fries, bro.
Show this to the camera, bro. Y'all think that's real?
I'm gonna make this thing very quick.
I mean, bro, it's literally the only thing open right now.
That's true.
Literally the only thing open is fucking McDonald's.
More people, but other people make so much money, bro. They're open at night.
But Wendy's used to be open till like 2 a.m., 3 a.m.
That's before
Wendy's?
COVID.
But COVID's like done now, bro.
It's not done, but
It should be.
When was the last time you heard anything about COVID?
Yeah. No, I mean, all the time.
They just said they found like a new strain.
In South Africa, bro.
South Africa and China.
Really?
Yeah. And it's supposedly like serious. All stocks dropped today in price because of that, bro.
Like crypto, bro.
Everything dropped. A big reason is because of that, because they think it's new strains.
Really, bro?
That's what they said. I mean, I don't believe it. Oh, he's off.
You like pickles?
I love pickles.
you built like a pickle.
I'm dick on pickles.
You smell like a pickle, nigga. It's a little pickle dick, nigga. Big
I like
dick.
pickles.
Yeah, you do like pickles, nigga. You like sucking on them shit.
But you like, I don't know.
Nah, yeah, nigga, you
What's that
look
supposed to mean?
How much do you think we ate? How much you eat?
What? I had
Cheeseburger.
6.
How about you?
6?
How much is
God,
Nigga, yeah, 6 cheeseburgers.
what the
Yeah.
fuck, bro? I
Yeah.
didn't even complain once either. Ate them 6
I'm
burgers,
sorry.
nice and easy, bro.
I'm starving, dog. What you
Bitches
do?
went down like water, bro.
Put that bitch down the drain.
How much you eat?
I ate 3 full ones, 3.5.
I ate like 3 or 4, something like that.
I'll say 3. You ate 3 at 6. That's 6. That's 12. How many did you eat, Del? 3.
4.
That's 16.
You ate 2?
Yeah, we ate 18 of them.
Should have 20.
So we still have 12. That's like
That's
2
still
for
3
each.
each.
2 for each.
3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6,
Bro,
9.
we still got fries. That's the thing.
My beats killing the fries, bro.
Yeah, we got that.
How much was the total, bro?
Bro, it was like $60.
Really?
Yeah.
Ain't no way.
What you mean?
Ain't no way.
What you mean?
Should've been 60, bro.
Nigga, if it was 60, nigga, then how come I only paid $9?
Because, bro, it was like 58, 59, something.
Oh, so you capping? trying to run us out of 30 cents?
How much did I ask?
Hey, shit,
I don't think
30 times 4 is how much, bro?
Yeah, it's not $9, bro. It's $8.90. Deadass was $60. How? 30 cheeseburgers should be like 30 something dollars.
Bro, it's like $1.20 now.
Ah, niggas taxing.
I swear.
So it's like 35 on fries.
I got
There's no way it
$4.
was $60.
Nigga, I got the receipt in my car.
I'll try to eat another one.
You crazy, bro.
Oh, it was like 55, 50 something over there.
Come on, bro.
Because you gotta understand, those like... Those
Imagine if this was your last ever meal.
tax, bro.
I know, bro.
Where's your
Full.
taxes?
Would you be okay?
I would be okay, bro.
Really?
I would be grateful, bro. Bro, because at the end of the day, bro, no matter what you eat, bro, when you're done eating whatever you ate, you have the same feeling. Unless you ate like something.
Right, right.
Yeah, nigga, shit died.
Nah, bro, y'all niggas be...
Ah, you always blame that
God
shit on
damn.
us now, bro.
Ah,
I just gave up my lead,
bro,
bro.
you
Might
bought
as well
that.
quit this
Really
shit.
playing
Bro,
with guys, bro.
we hit it like 20,000 in total.
Yeah, fuck this, bro. I'm not playing. I don't like this.
There's no way it died that fast.
And on, you had it for like a week.
There's no way. You must have. Yeah, no, he didn't. He actually got it like 3 days ago.
I'm so full, bro.
What the fuck is
Bro, you still recording?
Did you eat that shit at home?
No, bro, never.
So gone.
It's y'all.
What you mean it's us niggas? Niggas blame that on us.
But you know, I know, bro. You
That's
know,
true. Yeah.
You know, I know.
Want me
bro.
to
Gio,
include?
nigga, you look like a black
You want us to include the $2 in
Yes.
for the nigga?
Oh, first of all, Paul, you still was $7.
That's true.
Has Basil never paid you back?
Oh, yeah, nigga. I dead ass contacted them again, nigga.
They don't give a
Contact
fuck.
Perry, bro. Perry pay you
I did, nigga.
for some head, bro.
Fuck you, nigga. Why you gotta be dead, nigga?
Maybe if you suck his dick, bro, he'll pay us back first.
Fuck you, nigga.
What you think, bro?
Nigga, I think you should go fuck yourself, nigga.
Alright, I will go. Fuck yourself. Better than sucking another nigga's dick.
I don't love sucking dick.
Hey, you still wait for UNF?
Yeah. Nigga, it's
no
off
fries,
season.
bro?
No, bro.
It's off season.
You be sucking the manager's dick over?
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
You be sucking Mir's dick?
Nah, bro. You know that nigga doesn't even play no more?
Yeah.
You work at
You
UNF?
graduated, right?
Yeah, he graduated and he's gonna go try out in Poland.
Dead ass?
Yeah, first division.
Yeah, we're never gonna hear from
Damn,
yours
bro.
again.
Formation jail.
4-1-2-2 wide.
Yeah.
That's a good formation.
Yeah, I say that.
Come on, nigga. Get that shit out of here,
Hey, no,
nigga.
why did you leave a
Nigga, I will punch the fuck out of your dick,
Hey, no.
nigga. You will lose 2 generations of kids at once,
listen,
nigga.
just tell us, why did you leave Jenny Springs?
Nigga, why are you retarded, nigga?
What you mean? I'm just asking.
Answer the question, bro.
Bro, was it
Nigga, I
was-
told you the same
us.
fucking answer
The
for
viewers
the
wanna
past
know.
6
the
months.
viewers want to know.
Jill, you're fucking retarded.
So it was because the
No,
boat.
bro, it's because of how fucking retarded you look.
It's because the boat, right?
No, nigga, it's because how fucking retarded you look. Look at yourself, nigga.
And so why'd you leave, bro?